Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll show an important topic and a very useful topic also. That is how to post a document with a reference of another document. So here I'm displaying one document. It is already been displayed. However, I'm starting from the beginning. I'm going to FB03 to display a document which I had posted earlier. So going to episode 3, document number is this 10,004. Going inside, fiscal year is 2023. It is the normal account, normal JV. Okay, it's a type document, journal voucher, normal journal voucher, and the entry was in internet expenses debit to bank. Okay, so going to the header of it, just clicking on the header. It was posted by FB15 as expected because it is a journal voucher, and the document type was essay, and the amount given was 450. Okay, so I'm going to post another document, okay, with reference to this, and it will be totally the replica of this. Sometimes that happens. Say in a month we have some similar kind of postings. Okay, so there to avoid the manual posting, we can use this transaction to copy any other document and to post a new one. So going to another T code, that is FBR2. Okay, to copy and post the document number with reference to another document number. So opening up a new session. It is taking a bit time, but no problem. We'll go to the new screen and we'll open up a transaction, that is FBR2. So let me try from here. FBR2. So our document number is, our reference document number is 10,004, and remember that the internet expenses GL account is 10,000, bank account is 20,000. I told these numbers, the reason being we will not enter anything, we will only enter the document number and we'll post a new one, but to validate whether the system has posted the correct or not, that is why I just repeated. However, I have opened this one in other screen, so we can go back and we can validate also. So the new screen is opening up, new transaction is also been opened up. So that up. So I'm giving the 10,004 document number as a reference to post the new document. So here I'm clicking on enter GL account line items. It will automatically be picking up the GL account what I had given in my 10,004 document. Okay, now clicking on display line item, make sure that I have not checked this one, do not propose amount. Let's see what happens if I don't click on those. Copying the copy text, then pressing enter. Yeah, new screen has opened up. Now I'll just press enter. See, the amount has come up. Why? The reason being I had clicked on, I had not checked the do not propose amount. Okay, if I would have checked that, then this amount should have been blank. I would have given some amount here and to post. So 10,000. Now let me validate the reference document number. Going to here, internet expenses debit 450, bank account credit 450. Internet expenses GL account is 10,000, bank GL account is 20,000. Here also the same, 10,000 account number is been debited 40, 20,000 account number is credited 50. So I'm satisfied with this, so I'm just clicking on the post. This will post the document. Likewise, you can use this in your regular life. if you need to post any kind of similar document, okay, then you can use this transaction and you can post. Okay, so document number 10,007 was posted, so I'm just going to display it. FB03 once again, 10,007 going inside. This is the document number, internet expenses debit to bank 450 as expected. Clicking on the header. See, FBR2 is the transaction through which I have posted this. So absolutely correct. Now we'll show you the same, but with a in a bit different way. FBR2 again. Again the same document number, not this one, 10,004. Now here enter amount, do not propose amount, I'm just ticking on. Okay, display line item, just pressing enter. Here the difference will be, see, amount is not coming up because I had checked the do not propose amount. Here I have to give my own amount. Say I'm giving 750. Here also the same, 750. Now just posting it. Document number 10,008 was posted. Now just going to display FB03, 10,008, just pressing enter. Displayed, internet expenses debit to bank. Now I will post it, but again in a different way. FBR2. This time I will tick on the generate reverse posting. Means as of now the posting was internet expenses debit to bank. Now it will be bank debit to internet expenses. Display line item, copy text. Let the amount be the same, so I'm not ticking this one. Yeah, see, this is the bank account. Okay, let me post it. Yeah, bank account debit to internet, that's what it is. So 10,009 was posted. Let me display it. /n FB03, 10,009, just displaying it. Internet expenses is now credit 50. Here minus means credit. Bank account debit, bank is 40. So bank debit to internet expenses. As I had posted, I had clicked on the reverse. Okay, so here from, so it is a, please note, it is a very useful transaction. By using this FBR2, you can copy a previously posted document number and you can post a fresh document number. Additionally, if you want to reverse the previously posted document number, that also you can do. So it is a very useful transaction. I hope it is clear to you. If not, please put your comments in the comment section. I'll surely try to clarify all your comments. So we'll be coming up with some new topic in coming days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.